Good morning students. In previous class we can solve the problems in exercise 6.3. In that question number 1 is over. Now going to solve question number 2. They are given that in the following figure triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, angle BOC is equal to 125 degree and also angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. They are given the figure. In this figure ODC is 70 degree and also BOC is 125 degree. Now we can find out the angles DOC, this angle, and also DCO, this angle, and also this angle in the figure. Now they are given that solution of this question. Just observe the line segment DOB. DB is a straight line. O is a point on DB. Then angle of DOB is 180 degree because DB is a straight line. Angle of straight line is 180 degree. DOB is a straight line. Then DOB is equal to 180 degree. DOB is equal to 180 degree because straight line is measured 180 degree. Now this overall angle DOB is 180 degree. Now this DOB split into two angles. One is DOC, another one is COB. This DOB split into two angles. There are DOC, angle DOC plus angle COB, that is equal to 180 degree. If we add these two angles, we get DOB. Now add these two angles, we get 180 degree. They already given that COB is BOC or COB is 125 degree. Substitute in this equation DOC plus 125 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle DOC is equal to, take 125 degree into right side, that becomes here plus 125 degree is there, that goes to right side, that becomes minus 125 degree. Then angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125 is 55 degree. Now angle DOC is 55 degree. One angle over. Next we can find out DCO. This angle can be find out right now. Consider triangle DOC. In triangle DOC means this angle, this triangle DOC. Here angle D is 70 degree, angle O is 55 degree. Now we can find out the measure of angle C. We know that sum of all three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is called angle sum property. By using that property, we can find out the angle C. In triangle DOC, angle DOC plus angle DCO plus angle CDO, that is equal to 180 180 degree because angle sum property. Angle sum property. Now substitute the value of DOC. We already find out that is 55 degree plus they already given that DCO. We can find out the angle DCO, take as it is, plus CDO they already given that. CDO is 70 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. 55 plus 70 degree is 125 degree. DCO plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. Take 125 into right side, that becomes minus 125. Angle DCO is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree, that is equal to 55 degree. 180 minus 125 is 55. Now DOC is find out, DCO also find out. Now we can find out the angle OAB. They are given that triangle ODC and OBA are similar. Given that triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, that means this triangle is similar to this triangle. Then if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. By using that property we can find out the angle OAB. Observe this figure. This O angle is similar corresponding angle to this O angle, and also this B angle is similar to this B angle, and also C angle is similar to angle A. Now substitute that similarity criteria for these two triangles. We get angle OAB is equal to this angle OAB means this angle is equal to this angle OCD. Angle OCD because corresponding angles of two similar triangles are always equal. Therefore angle OAB is equal to, we already find out the value of OCD. OCD is 55 degree. Then OAB also is equal to 55 degree. This is complete the question number 2.